It costs less than a cup of coffee, but it can turn your tomato plants into monsters. No, it's not a fancy fertilizer or a secret garden serum. It's a simple $3 item that you probably already have in your medicine cabinet. Aspirin. That's right, ordinary aspirin. And when used the right way, it can supercharge your tomato plants, boost their immune systems, and even increase your harvest. Let's break it down. Gardeners all over the world have discovered that crushed aspirin, when diluted in water and sprayed or poured at the base of tomato plants, triggers a natural defense mechanism that leads to healthier, more productive plants. Here's how to do it. Take 1 regular strength aspirin tablet, that's 325 milligrams. Crush it into a powder. Mix it into a gallon of water and stir well. You can pour this solution directly at the base of your tomato plants, or you can use it as a foliar spray once every 2 to 3 weeks. That's it. It's that simple. Now, you might be wondering, why aspirin? Aspirin contains a compound called salicylic acid, which is also found naturally in plants. When your tomato plants detect salicylic acid, they respond by strengthening their defenses, just like a human immune system kicking in. It's called systemic acquired resistance, SAR, and it basically primes the plant to fight off diseases like blight, mildew, and bacterial spots before they ever take hold. It's like giving your tomatoes a vaccine. Only it costs $3 and takes 30 seconds to mix. But this hack doesn't stop at disease prevention. Gardeners have reported more vigorous growth, faster flowering, and even larger fruit. Some swear their plants doubled in size after just a few weeks of using aspirin water. Others have noticed brighter leaves, stronger stems, and fewer pest problems. In one test garden, a tomato plant treated with aspirin water produced nearly 30% more tomatoes compared to untreated ones. And yes, time-lapse footage has shown faster foliage development and denser canopy growth after applying this hack consistently through the summer. Even universities have backed it up. A study from the University of Rhode Island found that aspirin-treated tomato plants had greater disease resistance and stronger growth. So this isn't just a gardening myth, it's science-backed plant care. Here's an extra tip. Add a few drops of mild liquid soap to your aspirin water if you're spraying the leaves. It helps the solution stick and absorb better. And if you're using a foliar spray, do it in the early morning or evening to avoid leaf burn in the sun. Want to boost the results even more? Combine your aspirin water with compost tea or fish tank water for an added dose of nutrients. But even by itself, this $3 aspirin trick packs serious punch. Now, are there any precautions? Just a couple. Don't overdose your plants. More is not better. 1 tablet per gallon is plenty. And avoid using it more than every 2 weeks or weekly during heavy disease outbreaks. Also, test it on a small section of your plant first if you're trying foliar spraying for the first time, just to make sure your plant tolerates it well. So, are you ready to try it? Pick up a bottle of generic aspirin, skip the coated or buffered kinds, and mix up your first batch this week. Choose your healthiest tomato plant as your test subject, and track the difference over the next few weeks. You'll likely see lusher leaves, faster growth, and stronger fruit sets in no time. And don't stop there. Aspirin water can also benefit peppers, eggplants, and even roses. It's one of those budget-friendly hacks that opens the door to healthier plants across your entire garden. So, go ahead, try it this week, and when your tomato jungle starts taking over, you'll know why. If you found this tip helpful, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment sharing your results or questions, and subscribe for more simple hacks that make a big difference.